Here I have a microwave that I ordered off Amazon. I paid for it with my own money, and I bought it because it was the lowest wattage microwave I could find. I want to be able to hook it up to my 1000 watt inverter when I go camping, fishing, and other things to the beaches. So let's open it up and check and see what's inside. It seems to be packaged pretty well. Some styrofoam. Let me put this down. Okay, according to this manual, this is a 600 watt microwave oven. The dimensions, as you can see them right there, the outer dimensions are 10 and 5/16 by 17 and 13/16 by 13 and 5/16. Okay, now I got it hooked up to my inverter, and I have a kilowatt here, and you can see that it's not using any power. It's not on right now. And the microwave have dials on there, not a digital display, so it's not going to be as accurate, but we'll see how it works. Okay, I'm going to set it at high for 2 minutes, and then we'll see. I'll come back and see. It's working in there. And on there, if you can see, it's using 799 watts, 810, so it's bouncing around, but it's staying around 800 watts. So it's good to go with the 1000 watt inverter. So I'm happy with this, but let's see if it's working. Yeah, it's been 1 minute so far. It's spinning in there. It seems to be working well. A couple more seconds and I'm going to take it out. Check and see how hot it is. I don't know if you can read that, but it's getting up to 180 degrees. So I think it did well. Thank you for watching.